everybody, welcome to my Cuddly Stitches Craft channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to attach ears to your Amigurumi toy without sewing. This is a simple technique perfect for someone who doesn't like sewing toys, because all you have to do is to crochet the ears to the head using single crochet stitches. If you would like to crochet the tiger featured in this video, I have included a link to the pattern in the description below, but you can also find it on my blog. Okay, so here I am ready to attach the ears to the head. I've got the head and both ears ready here too. If you are following my tiger pattern, then you may notice that the hem on these ears is orange rather than black, and that is purely for the purposes of this video, so you can see the stitches better. So we are going to attach the ears to the head according to my tiger pattern. And before we do that, let me just show you which part of the ear we will attach to the head. So this is the bottom part of the ear that has 8 stitches from corner to corner. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Just make sure you have the round part at the top. You can recognize it by the 4 increases we have done when working on the ears. So to start with, we will follow the pattern and we will single crochet in the first 8 stitches. You will notice again that I'm using an orange yarn here instead of black yarn in this round. And again, that's just so you can see the stitches better. So I'll do the first 8 stitches. Okay, so we are now ready to attach the first ear. So grab the ear, making sure you have the round part at the top, and then flip the ear over so the front of the ear is facing down, and place it onto the head. Then insert your hook into the first stitch at the bottom of the ear, and then insert your hook into the next stitch on the head. So you will end up with 2 stitches on your hook. Then you simple single crochet these together. Then insert your hook into the next stitch on the ear, and again the next stitch on the head, and single crochet these together. And you will do this for 8 stitches in total. So we have 2 stitches done, so you've got 6 stitches left. So this is number 3. Four. 5, 6, 7, and then the last one 8. So because the ear has 8 stitches at the bottom, we will do 8 single crochet stitches to attach the ear. Okay? So that's the ear attached, looking nice and neat. And now we will continue to single crochet 11 stitches as per the tiger pattern. Okay, so we are now ready to attach the second ear. Grab the ear and again make sure you have the round part at the top, and then flip the ear over and place it onto the head. Then, just as before, insert your hook into the first stitch on the ear and then the next stitch on the head. Alright, and single crochet together. Okay, and you will again do this for 8 stitches in total. So that's 1 done and 7 remaining. So this number 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. And 1 more. 8. So again you will do 8 stitches because the ear has 8 stitches at the bottom. Okay, and that's the second ear attached, looking nice and neat again. So I will continue crocheting a few more stitches in the round, just so I can show you properly what the head looks like with the ears attached. Okay, so we are done here. The ears are nicely attached and both of them look nice and neat. And as you can see, this technique is pretty simple. All you have to do is just to single crochet the parts together, and they are looking nice from the side and the back as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please don't forget to give me thumbs up and hit the subscribe and bell button to receive an update when I add a new video. Thank you for watching.